Welcome to the King Penthouse, an unparalleled masterpiece in Sydney's skyline, where world-class design meets unrivaled luxury. Spanning over 400 square metres of internal space, this breathtaking sky home offers an exquisite blend of opulence and functionality, complemented by spectacular views of the city and harbour. Upon entry, you're greeted by an elegant foyer featuring a gas fireplace and a reading room, setting the tone for the grandeur that follows. The residence boasts 4 sumptuous bedrooms, including a king-size master suite with a vast dressing room and a marble green ensuite with a separate tub. Each of the 3 lower-level bedrooms comes with its own ensuite for ultimate privacy and comfort. At the heart of the home lies a chef's kitchen, outfitted with top-of-the-line Wolf appliances, seamlessly connecting to an expansive open-plan dining area. This space flows effortlessly onto a grand outdoor terrace that wraps around the penthouse, offering breathtaking panoramic views and an array of resort-style entertaining areas. Enjoy al fresco dining, relax in lush tropical gardens, or unwind by the custom travertine spa, with a built-in barbecue and a stunning water feature. The penthouse is also equipped with a 30-metre indoor-outdoor pool, a gym, a steam room, as well as a sauna and spa, ensuring a lifestyle of unparalleled luxury. Complete with secure parking for 6 cars, 24/7 concierge service, and exclusive access to in-house gourmet dining, this property epitomizes sophisticated city living. Situated just moments from luxury retail, fine dining, and Sydney's premier entertainment precincts, the King's Penthouse offers an extraordinary living experience for those seeking the very best.